7th week, hive 1. We're checking for whether they're making progress in the upper hive. And I'm trying a new liquid smoke on my hands instead of...
Oh, we're gonna do the popsicle sticks. Do we have any? I don't think we do.
A quick check for the queen on here. She's not. We got Jeremy with us. Say hi, Jeremy.
Hi.
Okay. Outside frame is not... Jeremy, can you give me the frame holder? Thank you. They're definitely up here now. Look really good. Okay, so that's the first one. Together a little bit, so they are drawn now. Right on that
What
side.
does drawing mean?
See this?
Oh.
They're working on the comb. So this one goes that way.
Jeremy, run inside and get us a marker.
Okay.
Okay, a Sharpie.
They're glued something down because this one isn't moving. So this one doesn't have much on it, but this side does. But the other one is chock full if I can get it.
Maybe it's the bottom that it's stuck to.
Maybe it's something just... Maybe I gotta do 2 of them and then separate them after. Busy working. And I'm busy separating this. Here we got lots of drone comb in here.
Okay. So, do you want to mark them like we talked about before you take them out?
Yeah.
Here, I'll pause this and come over and mark them.
Those are all babies. You see that one? That's a baby. Yep.
What one?
And they're finally starting to draw this one right, where they started out.
I wonder if you should scrape off all that stuff that's sticking out. What do you think?
Jeremy, you want to hold the bucket? Well, no, I think I'm going to leave it.
Here.
I'll let them do.
Here.
Okay, hold that bucket there. I'm going to put this one back.
You let me know if you want me to take any still shots.
Okay.
Oh my, that one's doing really good, Daddy.
Yep,
Oh, that one's good.
that one's doing really...
Except they're really
Well,
Except they're... Oh, this is the one without the frame. This
Oh,
is the
it is.
foundation. Yeah, this is the foundationless one.
It is. How's that side?
awesome.
Oh, weird.
It's all brood and weird. And
Here, let me...
take a picture of it.
You
No,
want me to
look at it.
switch modes or
Yes,
just take
you
it
wanna
here?
switch modes.
I'll give it to him if it's Travis's.
Me too, dear.
Your what?
Oh my gosh. This thing weighs a ton. This is full honey. You watch your video?
Yeah. Wow.
Well, guess they can't say they're not moving up here.
Yep.
Did you take off that thing that's...
So that's 3 that are fully capped. And they're still, I think we are almost ready for
Honey?
another super on top. Oh man, they're really drawing these things weird. Oh, shoot.
Well,
Well, they're drawing them just bizarre. I don't know if I didn't have my B-space right, but half of this cone,
Do you need the bucket?
I don't know, we'll see what comes out of this thing. Oh man. It's like,
Cut it.
I'm trying to.
Tell me if a bee
It's okay. You're in the beehive. Bees will land on you.
yeah, they're doing it sideways.
I can't see.
Well, that's nothing. You should see. You got that one? Look at this side.
Oh my gosh.
The other half of that is on the other comb. But they are drawn it out pretty good. I mean, these are heavy, heavy.
Oh my, that's connecting all of them together. Why are they...
See, and then this.
What the... Are you gonna...
Wow. It's like they didn't even attach it to, it's barely attached. You got honey dripping everywhere.
I know.
Is there some on my hat?
No. I don't think any bees have landed on you
Are
yet,
you
Jared.
looking at it even?
Oh.
You're like looking at the ground.
No.
I think I see in half of these on the ground. Look at that, Jared. Here, like they're not happy with the queen. Even though they're going, even though they're doing what they want, I'm kind of happy with this top box.
Are you gonna check the second one?
Yep. I'm gonna try to get the B space here right.
How much bee space is there supposed to be in between each one?
So it's supposed to be this much.
Supposed to be right against each other. Right?
Yep. They're licking up all this honey. See them drinking?
Oh yeah, because they think there's fire.
No, they're just.
No, because we didn't smoke them.
We didn't smoke them.
I know, but your hands smell.
Oh yeah.
It's true.
I think they're just cleaning it up because it dripped.
The problem is, they're leaning like this because there's something on the bottom that's not letting it.
Maybe it's because we didn't clean off the bottom last time, remember? And so when they got put back in, it pushed them over.
Mama, Jenna, can I have the scissors?
Yeah.
Where are they?
On the
In
counter?
Why are you pushing them together? Hard.
Because I want to get the bottom. Okay. Want to hold this for me, Jay?
Oh, you were going to use the cover, remember, to set them on? Where's the cover?
I'm going to set them just on this box.
Here, let me see the bottom. Tip it a little bit.
Oh.
Oh, you're fine.
Okay, here. Things hurt.
Okay, put it right there. Alright. So they're doing much better not building right here.
Oh, look at that. Is that a ball?
An accident. Okay, come over here, Chair, so you're not in the camera.
No, go behind, go over here. Come over here.
Yeah, come over here so you can see what's going on. Just not in the camera.
I'm hot.
Me too.
I'm burning up.
drinks after we're done.
I can't see. Oh, no, they're not doing my on that one.
No, well, they're on it, but they're not
Oh, it's the other side.
on this side.
Yeah, same thing.
Give that pen, Laura.
Oh yeah. Jeremy, give Dad this pen over the marker. It's on the bench.
On the bench over there.
Oh. At least I gotta be in the shade for a moment. Never mind, it's not my shade.
On the bench.
I know. How should I get to it? Over, around, or...
Just go back the way you came.
Okay.
No, I mean around me. Behind me.
Oh my, I could hear it really good. Sounded like you landed on my veil. Mommy,
You see? Jer?
what are you marking?
Just so I put them in the same way I take them out.
How do you know?
Because the X's will go to the X. So they're always facing this way.
Why do you want them facing the same way?
Because you don't want to confuse them. Okay, they're drawing that out. Look for the queen now, Jer.
Turn around.
It's not on this side.
See? We never saw the queen on this
It's
box.
because I have it pointed at the hive down there, and then I forget to move it up.
Look at all that capped honey and nectar. And actually, I was going to take this one out too.
I think your cover's in the way.
Are you putting all the ones that aren't doing very good up there?
No, I'm just putting those out so I can have more room to move these out. That's less aggressive today, aren't they?
What's
Well, you haven't gotten into the main part of it yet.
Brood nest.
There's the queen. She's on this side.
Oh, I
Do you see her?
see. Good. Are you really looking for the queen?
I want to take some pictures of these.
Okay. There's a little piece on this side. It's about to fall off. You can just grab it with your hand.
I think Bee was like, mine. Alright, I think we're good. I'm closing this one. Get out of the way. Smell my hands. Oh, I just killed them. Over.
So did they even land on your hands?
No.
Huh.
Not yet.
So it's working. How much of that stuff did you put on? Kidding?
Just a few drops.
You just trapped one. One was coming in and then you put it in, so you trapped it.
We're good there. Now we're going to pick this one up and flip it around.